Hello gamers! Welcome back to our channel. If you love open-world adventures with stunning graphics, then Red Dead Redemption 2 is definitely on your radar. But before you dive into the Wild West, let's make sure your system is ready to handle this epic game. In today's video, we'll break down the minimum and recommended system requirements for Red Dead Redemption 2. So, let's saddle up and get started. First, let's talk about the minimum system requirements. These are the baseline specs your computer needs to run the game. Keep in mind, meeting the minimum requirements means the game will run, but you might experience some lag or lower quality graphics. To start with, let's look at the display. For Red Dead Redemption 2, you need at least an HD display with a resolution of 1280x 720 pixels. This ensures that the game looks decent and runs smoothly without overburdening your system. Moving on to the processor. For AMD users, an entry-level processor is required. For Intel users, a Core i5 is the minimum. Now, lower-end processors might run the game, but don't expect smooth gameplay. You'll likely encounter lag and other performance issues. Next up, let's talk about RAM. You'll need at least 8 GB of RAM. This is crucial for handling the game's detailed environments and large open world. Now, storage. Red Dead Redemption 2 is a massive game with a size of over 120 GB. Make sure you have enough free space on your hard drive before you start the installation. Finally, let's discuss graphics. While a dedicated graphics card is not absolutely necessary, an integrated one with at least 2 GB of memory will suffice. However, keep in mind that with an integrated card, you might need to play on lower settings. Alright, now that we've covered the minimum requirements, let's move on to the recommended system requirements. Meeting these specs will ensure a smooth and immersive gaming experience without any hiccups. First, the display. For the best experience, you'll want a full HD display with a resolution of 1920x1080 pixels. This will provide sharp and clear visuals, bringing the game's stunning graphics to life. For the processor, a higher-end model is recommended. For AMD, this means a Ryzen 5 or better, and for Intel, a Core i7 or higher. These processors will handle the game much more efficiently, ensuring smooth gameplay. Regarding RAM, aim for 16 GB. This will allow your system to manage the game's complex environments and large open world more effectively. When it comes to storage, the game size remains the same at over 120 GB. However, using an SSD instead of an HDD can significantly reduce loading times and improve overall performance. Lastly, for graphics, a dedicated graphics card is highly recommended. Aim for at least an NVIDIA GTX 1060 or an AMD Radeon RX 480 with 6 GB of VRAM. This will allow you to enjoy the game at higher settings with better visuals and smoother gameplay. Now that we know the system requirements, let's discuss a few tips to optimize your setup for the best gaming experience. First, keep your drivers updated. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Manufacturers like NVIDIA and AMD regularly release updates that can improve game performance. Second, close unnecessary background applications. Running multiple applications simultaneously can consume valuable system resources. Close any programs you don't need while playing to free up RAM and processing power. Third, adjust in-game settings. If you're experiencing lag or performance issues, try lowering the graphics settings within the game. Reducing options like shadow quality, texture quality, and resolution can help improve performance. Fourth, consider upgrading your hardware. If your system is struggling to meet the requirements, investing in new hardware such as more RAM, a better graphics card, or a faster processor can make a significant difference. Lastly, use an SSD if possible. As mentioned earlier, installing the game on an SSD can drastically reduce loading times and improve overall performance. If you have an SSD, make sure to use it for Red Dead Redemption 2. Before we wrap up, let's hear from the community. We'd love to know about your experiences with Red Dead Redemption 2. What system are you using, and how does the game run for you? Drop a comment below and share your setup and performance tips with fellow gamers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips, reviews, and system requirement guides. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest uploads. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. See you in the next video.